In this video lesson, we will expand your Smart Space page and create a additional template for a website that you'll access from the same address, and eventually this will become your home page. So from the Smart Space page that you created in part 1 of this project, you'll log in using the account information that you created at that time. And what you'll see is that you have a series of options available to you to edit your social space site. These are the same ones you used last time, but also to work with other parts of your site as well. And what we're going to do is use the website and the customize website option to do that. So click customize website, and that will be loaded. Now in this case, what's happened is that I have a template here that has been created for me by default, and I'm going to use it to create a different look and feel to this site by changing that template. So let's do that by clicking on the template button first. And you'll see that you have a range of possibilities that you can use to create the template for your site. Here you can select the ones that you want to select from or to choose from, and notice that you can have vertical or horizontal navigation bars. You should select a template that works well with both the site and store options, because eventually you'll be doing that as well. I'm going to, I have one in mind here, so let me look at the options that are available. And you can see that there are a variety of options that you can choose from. If you choose to look at a larger version of a template, you can see what it would look like in the page. I have just selected View Larger Image, and now I can see it in my new page as the title. The one I'm going to choose is this one, the barbecue site. And by applying it to my site, it indicates that the changes were successful, and I can now view it again. So this is what my site looks like in the new template. Now in this case, I have the layout that I want, but I don't have the text or any of that material that I would like to do. Now in terms of changing text, that's relatively easy. I just have clicked on that box, and now I can say, and what I'm going to do, I'm tapping across, and as I've been doing throughout this project, I'm going to focus my site on the Murray State University, University of Regensburg exchange programs that we've established with that university. So here's going to be my header for the site. I don't think, now this is an interesting picture, but I don't think it's really the one that we want to use for this. So I can change those images by clicking here, change background images. You will add a couple of pictures of your own, and you can see that these are the images that are used in that template. By changing the images, I can select images from the library, and eventually I'll have images that I can upload myself and choose from. Now I'm going to add a couple, and these are just simply from my own system that I'm going to upload. And then I choose other ones and do it, and then click upload files, and there they are. Now to save time, I've already done that. So I have these pictures that I'm going to use. This is one that I'm going to use as the major image of the template of the site. And so when I select that, notice that it takes the place of the image that is there. I say OK. And now the site reflects that image as well. So now I'm in good shape to have the site reflect the content that I want to add to it. So in that context, I have changed the template. I'm now ready to go. I would like to center the title. So I do that there, and you can see that uh, what it's doing is selecting the title of the page. So whenever I change that, designate the title of the page, this one will actually change. So now I'm ready to publish this and have the basic layout of my site ready to go to add additional pages. In this case, I've been working on the site previously, so I'll publish the updates. You can also publish the entire thing. It gives you some idea of what's going on as that process is occurring. It's now ready to go. So if I go back to my original site, notice that it comes to my home page, which I've set up as social space. But if I click the site tab here, it loads my new page, and I am now ready to add content. So that concludes this video lesson on establishing a template for the site that you're going to create in addition to your SmartSpace page.